Good morning, everyone, and it's great to be here. Very briefly, though, my background, I had over 25 years in the private sector experience in manufacturing. I've owned my own business with my partners and have worked from startups to multi-billion-dollar technology companies, international technologies across the world. Manufacturing creates the highest value job in our entire state. And certainly the nice thing about manufacturing jobs, it has a ripple effect of creating 3 to 4 new jobs for every one job that manufacturing produces. And certainly when the folks from MACNY and the Manufacturing Alliance have talked about the issues that face us economically, I wholeheartedly support their view that we have to lower the tax burden. We have to lower our workers' compensation costs. We have to lower our energy costs. These are the obstacles that are popped up in front of businesses that are here in New York State or businesses that may consider moving to New York State. And even on the energy front, because we've talked about eliminating the 18A surcharge, you know, I have companies specifically in my district that they're part of a larger group of companies that actually shop around the lower cost environment as to where they want to expand from a capital expansion. And one of the determining factors is the cost of energy. And so they have multiple plants to choose from across the state or across the country, and that's why we have to have a competitive cost environment here in New York. And so really ultimately it's about jobs for our communities, jobs for our state, and I think we have to do everything in our power as state legislators to promote sound economic policies in terms of a lower cost manufacturing environment. And certainly I think the Zogby study certainly proved that point in the surveys that were received from across the state, and I think we're committed. I know my conference is totally committed to being pro-business and being pro-economic policies that serve the businesses of our state, in particular manufacturing. Really, it's one of our top 3 industries in the entire state, and we have to do everything in our power to help them. And certainly, as mentioned, workforce development, this is something that goes on back in my district as well, working with Finger Lakes Community College, and actually local companies that partner together to provide more skilled trade training for their employees as well. So certainly being here today to support the results of this survey and then legislative action that we can take to support the Manufacturing Alliance of New York and economic development in general is the right thing to do, and we must do it sooner, definitely, rather than later. Thank you.